Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Lons-à-la-Croix, a quiet hamlet nestled along the southern shore of the St. Lawrence River, in Quebec's Bas-Saint Laurent region. As we drive through, you'll notice the peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty that define this small community, which is part of the municipality of Saint-Félicité. Lons-à-la-Croix has a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. Archaeological discoveries here have uncovered over 200,000 artifacts, revealing that indigenous peoples, including Proto-Iroquoian and Iroquoian groups, lived in this area from as early as 10,000 years ago up to the 18th century. These findings provide a glimpse into the lives of the First Nations and the early European explorers who later arrived. As we continue our drive, take a moment to appreciate the serene landscapes and the deep historical roots of Lons-à-la-Croix. It's a place where the stories of the past are preserved amidst the tranquility of the present.
Thanks for watching!